Hi, I'm Mickey Glassman of the Glassman Group with RE/MAX Premier, and welcome to Midtown North, a sleek, contemporary building located in the heart of Reston Town Center. This 7-story mid-rise features 78 homes, styled after New York City lofts. I'm here in Unit 103. This over 1,700 square foot condo is designed with a multitude of modern conveniences, including top-of-the-line finishes and upgrades. From the expansive 11-foot ceilings to the state-of-the-art sound system, elegant flooring, and breathtaking sunset views, nothing compares to your dream home come true. Enjoy the tour.
Stepping in the front door, you'll notice the gorgeous custom Italian porcelain tile floors, which you'll find throughout most of the home. To the right, off the main hall, is the first bedroom, with Italian porcelain flooring with inlay, 11-foot floor-to-ceiling window, and a large closet featuring custom Elfa organizers. There's also a full bath, and across from the bath, a laundry and storage area. Down the main hall, it opens to the living room, dining room, and the gourmet kitchen. The living room has a custom media wall with recessed TV mount, a gas fireplace with custom ironworks, and recessed tray ceiling. The spacious dining room offers wonderful views from the 11-foot corner windows. And the gourmet kitchen is exquisite, with black onyx granite counters, custom glass tile backsplash, a large center island with space for extra seating, all stainless steel appliances, including a 5-burner gas cooktop with vent hood, side-by-side refrigerator freezer, wall oven, and built-in microwave. And tucked away behind the kitchen is a den office space. And just off the living room is the stunning master bedroom suite, with plush wall-to-wall carpet, a floor-to-ceiling window wall, large walk-in closet, and ensuite bath with dual vanity, soaking tub, and separate seamless glass shower enclosure. And living in Midtown North grants you access to the rooftop terrace, art studio, and fitness facility.
Midtown North at Reston Town Center offers every amenity you would expect from modern luxury living. As a resident of Reston Town Center, I can't imagine living anywhere else. There's fine dining, shops, a movie theater, park, ice skating rink. The metro is so close by, and Dulles Airport is just 10 minutes. By the way, the WO&D trail is just around the corner, and I bet you'll find me there running and biking all the time. For more information, contact us. Get in touch at mickyglassman.com or call 703-464-0979. And remember, attitude says it all, so have a great day. And I can't wait to see you right here at Midtown North. Hey, click on the subscribe button below to keep up to date on all of our home tours, neighborhood videos, and expert advice on buying and selling real estate on our YouTube channel.